Today, we're exploring the Panspermia Theory, which suggests that life on Earth may have come from outer space. The theory proposes that microorganisms or organic matter can travel through space on comets, meteoroids, or dust particles, and eventually land on a planet with the right conditions for life to thrive. Some versions of the theory suggest that life may have originated on Mars and then adapted to Earth, while others propose that life may have originated in other parts of the galaxy. While there is no definitive proof, studying the possibility of panspermia can help us understand the conditions necessary for life to exist, both on our planet and beyond.